Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of our GTO project. Now as you can see, a lot has happened since our last part. Like, we've taped off all the windows and the bumpers and all the chrome. We've sanded down most of the car, and we put just some little spray on primer all over it. But right now we're going to put on the heavy duty primer. We're using this paint gun to spray on the heavy duty primer. So we're going to finish grinding down the car and taking care of everything that we missed, and then we're going to put the primer on.
Alright guys, so we've been spraying a little bit. Looks pretty good. This does a pretty good job at spraying. This is a $15 spray gun, so it works pretty good. We're going to be spraying a little bit more on here, this door here. Alright, so we got it all. Took off all the tape and got it all sprayed down. It looks really nice. And maybe we'll lay some paint on next.